What's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven here, Facebook Live. Okay, I'd like to welcome y'all to this Facebook Live footage. Okay, if you don't live in New Orleans, this is the canal place. They go to know that ain't the entrance. The entrance is right there. Okay, all right. So they go to entrance. It's a mall. It may be a business thing, a building. Okay, here go the bus right here. Not that bus. Talking about RTA. Okay. Well, all right. So, all right. I want to tell y'all a couple of years ago, my friend Tanya told me to tell the bus driver could he send the bus to New Iberia. She knows my obsession is buses. Okay, yeah, but my whole family know that my obsession is buses. Okay, yeah, that's why I don't date bus drivers. You know, that's why I don't flirt with bus drivers. You know, all right. So I'm talking about female drivers. You know, okay. So they all off limits. Okay, all right.